Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margrette. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below and tapping on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads.
1, 2, 3.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you
Today I'll be vlogging about my experience about Yumi Ray, and they actually have 3 products. They have the whitening foam cleanser, they also have the whitening tone-up cream, and also a whitening serum. So this whitening foam cleanser, I use this during every bath. I put it on my face, I put it on my bikini line, and it actually helped in whitening those areas of my body. So after washing my body with the whitening foam cleanser, so how to use the whitening foam cleanser? You just need to wet your face or your body first and then lather the foam. You will feel a few tiny microbeads cleaning up dead skin cells from your face, right? And your body, of course. And that is the whitening foam cleanser. For the whitening tone-up cream, you just need to apply it directly onto your skin or any desired area that you wish to whiten, and it will dry up quickly, right? So that is the tone-up cream. Afterwards, you can actually top it with the whitening essential serum, and this also has a glass skin effect. So this is actually a good help, especially if you want to whiten your underarms, your bikini line. You can actually use it on your face as well, and it has really a good whitening effect. So it works best if you have all 3, because after the whitening tone-up cream, you can also use Yumi Ray whitening essential serum, and it dries up quickly. So if you wish to achieve that Korean glass skin, this trio set is the best from Yumi Ray. You should try it out, guys. If you look at my face right now, I only have minimal makeup. I used this during my bath a while ago, and I used this. After it dried up, I then applied the eyeliner, a few strokes of blush on, and lipstick. That's it. Alright, so guys, it's really effective. I noticed my skin tone light after 4 days of using these products, and by far Yumi Ray is one of the best whitening products that I have vlogged so far. And you know me, I only give my honest reviews about the products that I vlog about, so I would like to suggest you visit Yumi Ray PH. They have a page, and you can check out all 3 products there, and if you wish to purchase, please feel free to message their page. And if you didn't know, Korea is known for their best quality beauty products, and Yumi Ray just happens to be made in Korea, and that's found here at the back of the package. It's found in every package, guys, so you're assured of quality if you buy Yumi Ray. And since this review is coming from me, I assure you of quality products. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you want to show your support to my channel, please do tap on the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. I also activated my membership so that you can be a part of my clans and enjoy exclusive perks. Yumi Ray is a startup business, and I'm really thankful to be chosen as one of the first vloggers to test their products. And again, I would highly recommend these products, especially if you're looking for whitening products for your face and your whole body. Alright, so that's it for me. I would like to thank everyone for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next vlog. Do take care. Bye, lovies!